This is my part 3 of EDL 856 module 4. So I was talking about the cons. So because we as a school district focus on teaching to this test per se, there's limited hands-on experiences for the students. The current curriculum that we use for math is Go Math for grades 2 to 6. I teach 4th grade currently. Then we use Pearson following 6th grade. For science, we also use a Pearson series. Some cons is that there are limited changes to the school board. So again, those school board members, they have been on the school board for so many years that change is a little bit harder to come by. Some traditions that we have at the school, this year is an exception due to COVID-19. Fall Festival, that is for the elementary and middle school. So it's an incentive for the students through our PBIS school-wide behavior support program for the students that involves the PTO members and different community organizations that donate and volunteer for the event. It's during the school day. And there's different activities and foods and raffles and all sorts of things for the students to partake in. We also do Spirit Week. Winners receive different gift cards to local businesses or restaurants. We have the traditional homecoming and prom for the high school students through PBIS. We also do a reindeer games, which is similar to Fall Festival, but it's right before Christmas. We do a donkey basketball, which is our school's way of raising money and using it within the school for grants and scholarships. And then Pride, that's a school-wide incentive program also through PBIS. To continue, I think that some other positives that we need to add to our list as the public measure would go is giving students the opportunity to bring their parents into school more, especially those with a multicultural or different background. That gives them the option to feel that welcoming climate and that opportunity to see the incentives of achieving more and being involved in the school community. Public opinion surveys. We don't do public opinion surveys typically at Ridge, with COVID-19 being the exception. Over the summer, we did do a survey to parents about their opinions on returning to school or if they felt more comfortable with sending their kids virtually or half and half. That was the only time in recent history that we have used a survey. We don't do telephone interviews to parents or any sort of questionnaire. I really think surveys throughout the year would be beneficial to not only the school district, but parents feeling like their opinion matters and that they are involved. Other ways I think we could improve is discussing information with those parents who do pick up this year, especially because with COVID-19, there are very limited students that actually do ride the bus. So we actually have that one-on-one contact with many families. Other parent involvement opportunities to make sure that we continue with that Meet the Teacher Night, do parent training seminars, which we do not do currently, and having 9-week student achievement night or improvement nights for those students that have improved greatly throughout the 9 weeks. My works cited and my standard correlation and how they were directed through Module 4. Thank you very much.